Hey guys, welcome back to Shobita's Joyful Space for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a simple and easy homemade donut. I had made this recipe for my daughter's 6th birthday, so she asked me if I could make them again for her. So I thought, why not I share this recipe with you guys. You got to mix these following ingredients in a large ball or the ball of a stand mixer. Milk 3/4 cup, butter 60 grams. I put them into small cubes to make it soft with less time. Yeast 2 and 1/4 teaspoon. Eggs 2. Sugar 3 tablespoon. Salt 3/4 teaspoon. Nutmeg 1/2 teaspoon. Flour 1 cup. You have to use the paddle attachment and whisk it for 2 minutes on medium-high speed. You can even try with a whisk if you don't have a stand mixer. By then it should look curdled like this. Then you got to add another 1.5 cup plus 3 tablespoons of flour into this. Again whisk for another 2 or 3 minutes. The dough should be very soft by then. Scrape the sides and you have to cover the ball with cling film or a kitchen towel. Let it rise for 1.5 hours until double. After the dough rises up, dust flour on the countertop and dump the dough. Now roll the dough into 1/2 to 3/4 inches thick. Then you have to cut the circles. If you have a donut cutter, it's good. Otherwise, just find a tumbler with big enough circle. Place this on a cookie sheet or big pan dusted with flour. Now make sure to leave space between the circles. I used a large Russian nozzle and the holes of the donut became so big that it was so hard to handle the donuts once it was puffed up, and also the shape was not perfect. But if you guys are interested in making awesome looking donuts, make sure you use a smaller nozzle unlike what I did this time. And cover this again to rise for about 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes, you got to heat oil in a pan. When it's medium-high heat, fry the donuts and the holes until both sides are golden brown, about 45 to 60 seconds on each side. Now this donut is not very sweet. As you can see in the ingredients, there's only 3 tablespoons of sugar that you add into it. You can decorate these donuts in so many ways. You can sprinkle some icing sugar on top of these donuts, or you can mix fine granulated sugar and cinnamon powder and roll your donut in that. Another great way the children like the donut is to have ganache on top of the donut and their favorite sprinkles on top. Now the best way to get the ganache well coated on your donut is to have your donut refrigerated and to have the ganache really warm so that it sticks onto your donut. So take the donut out from the refrigerator just before you dip it in the ganache. To make a thick ganache, you need to mix the chocolate and heated whipping cream in 2:1 ratio. Mixing it until the chocolate is completely melted and you get the right consistency. The ganache has to be quite warm to stick onto the frozen donuts, like I said. got to store these donuts in the fridge for longer shelf life or in an airtight container if you want to consume within 2 or 3 days. So don't forget to try this donut for your kid's birthday or if you want to make this as a snack during your lockdown. Pair it with a nice hot cup of chai. Now if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the bell button right beside it so that you get notified of every video that I put up. Thanks a lot all of you guys for watching my videos. I will see you guys next week. Till then, bye.